it's Jonathan here from Daddy Guitar Lessons, and welcome back to another electric lesson. This week we're going to do the Cranberries with Zombie. If you are new, click subscribe and hit the notification bell to not miss any other songs happening on this channel. Stick around, we're going to learn this song right now. Welcome back, guys. As always, I'm going to run through the chords you're going to need to know to play this song. So before we zoom in, let's go through the chords and then we're going to break the song down step by step. Here we go. So the first chord is going to be the E minor. This is all going to be acoustic chords. It's going to be open chords. So you're going to use E minor, and then they call it the C major 7. So it's just like the C major, but without finger number 1. Just leave finger number 1 off. That is C major 7. So you've got E minor, C major 7. So C without finger number 1. And then G major 7. So it's just like the G chord, but without fingers number 3 or 4 or both of them. So that's G, that's G, that is G major 7. So you've got E minor, C major 7, G major 7. And then the next one is called D over F sharp. You only play it with one finger, finger number 1, on fret number 2, on the 6th string, the daddy, the low E, and open. So that is D over F sharp. So you've got E minor, C major 7, G major 7, and D over F sharp. And that is the intro. C major 7, G major 7, and D over F sharp. And that is it for the open chords of the intro. Next up is going to be the power chords. Alright, so for the heavy part of the intro with distortion or overdrive, you're going to play the power chord E, the power chord C, the power chord G, and now you've also got D over F sharp. You can either play it with one finger, that is fine, or if you want to practice the stretching of your fingers, you can keep finger number 4 on string number 5, fret number 5, and then use finger number 1 to go fret 2, string 6. So I've got E, you've got C, you've got G, and now you can go D over F sharp, or and that is the heavy part of the intro with distortion or overdrive. The lead parts, we're not going to do in this lesson, we're just going to do the rhythm so you can get into playing with more tracks. I will put up the tab for the lead part in the description, so if you guys want to learn it, you're more than welcome to. So let's zoom in, let's break down the song and learn it step by step. The Cranberries with Zombie. So you've got the chord E minor, you've got the chord C major 7, and the chord G major 7, and the chord D over F sharp. So E minor, C major 7. As you would play the chord C, just lift up finger number 1, keep it open. That is C major 7, G major 7, press a G, lift up fingers number 3 and 4. They've got G major 7, and now the chord D over F sharp. Only one finger on fret number 2, the 6th string, the low E. That is D over F sharp. So you can play it with one finger, or as you'll see with the power chords, you can play it with finger number 4. As you play G, bring up finger, or you can keep finger number 3 there if your stretch is far enough. That is fine. Or I like to play it with finger number 4 to play G, and to go with finger number 4 and 1. So the chords again: E minor, C major 7, G major 7. Oh, sorry, that's not G major 7, that's G6. And D over F sharp. The full name is actually D6 sus F sharp. So D over F sharp, G major 7, G6, sorry, that's G6. And that's D over F sharp. So this is the clean part of the intro. C major 7, G6, D over F sharp, and E minor, C major 7, G6, and D over F sharp. And that is the clean part of the intro. So let's jump into the power chords. Alright guys, so straight after the clean part of the intro, you're going to go into the heavy part with some power chords. You're going to start off with power chord E. You have to have some sort of overdrive or distortion on. So let's start power chord E to power chord C to power chord F. Not power chord F, sorry guys, power chord G to D over F sharp. Now, like I said, you can play it either like that or with one finger. So, C, 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 G. Now that's the easy way to play it. If you listen to the record, you can hear some open strings, like something like this. Now, a lot of people use that technique. Nirvana used it on Smells Like Teen Spirit. Here. So they also used it with So that is the full intro. So let's go through it with the clean part and the distorted part. So let's start. E minor, C major 7, G6, now go into the distorted part with D, C, and G, D over F sharp, E, and C, and G, and D over F sharp. Let it ring. Like I said, I'm not going to do the lead part. I'm going to put up the tab in the description. So the verse I'm going to show you on the acoustic guitar is a bit easier to hear it like this. It's exactly the same chords as the intro, just played a bit differently. So you're going to play E minor, still C major 7, still G6, and also D over F sharp. Or you can also pick that one. So the verse, they go E minor, but only play the top and then the bottom two. The E and the B, number 1 and 2, so play C major 7, the same, G6, and D over F sharp, E minor, C major 7, G6, and D over F sharp. So a bit quicker. And that is how you play the verse. You know the verse? So the chorus is exactly the same as the distorted part in the intro. It's exactly the same. So let's play it together. We're starting off with a power chord E at 4, 3, 2, 1, and E. And C. And G. And D over F sharp. And E. And C. And G. And that's it for this week's electric guitar lesson, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed learning the song Zombie from the Cranberries. I love the song, I love the original, but recently I've heard the cover from Miley Cyrus. They did a cover on the SOS festival, the Save Our Stages. If you haven't heard it, go check it out on YouTube, it's pretty cool. And also there's another cover from a band called Bad Wolves. That's pretty cool. But that's it for now. So click subscribe, hit the notification bell, join us on Facebook, and also join us on Instagram for some bonus tips and tricks. I'll see you guys next week.